Hi, Tatta Bio. I wanted to send over a quick overview as Cygantic has launched fine-tune support for gLM2 on Cygantic. Foremost, I want to show that the OMG datasets are now present in Cygantic, specifically the ones on Hugging Face that had the appropriate licenses to host. Here you can see OMG. I'm going to launch a notebook that will help a student or researcher interact with OMG in a fast manner with the dependencies already preloaded. Behind the scenes, a pod is being provisioned that will fuse mount OMG, so that way the underlying agent can do POSIX commands across the data. Here I will open the notebook, and within a matter of seconds from searching OMG, a user can now navigate the entirety of the Parquet files included within the dataset. They can also start to talk and interact. Tell me about this dataset and how it might relate to GLM. I've preloaded a notebook here where I've already talked with the dataset. Here you can see some interactions where I want to understand how the data relates to the fine-tuning of gLM2. As you can see, there's some brief overview of the token stream and also an easy to understand summary of the underlying data set. I can also now submit an upload file from the notebook, the ability to fine-tune against gLM2 directly from here. If I go back to Cygantic and go to the home page here and go to fine-tune models, I now can see gLM2 here as well. There's a sample CSV here that could help someone understand how to interact and fine-tune the model, and also a handful of configurable parameters to use. You'll notice that the max sequence length is actually capped at 1024. This is because of the underlying GPUs that Cygantic provisions to keep fine-tuning at a cost-effective manner. I'll click fine-tune here now. Here now you can go to this UID job and you can see that they've begun the process of starting the fine tuning. If I go to my jobs here, I have a pre-existing fine tune. And if I click here, I can see some pretty quick results from what happened with the given sample input. I can even come here and download the weights. And if I unpack this here, I can see there's the safe tensors and different types of information regarding the fine tune that can help someone mount an adapter. Thanks so much for watching this video, and it'd be great to stay in touch and hopefully support more of your work.